Making rope is like magic, it really is. This is our own jute rope, made on our own DIY rope machine that we built 25 years ago just to prove the concept. Russell is attaching a doubled up length of jute twine between hooks at either end. Jute is a natural fibre that's spun to produce strands that are then wound together to make rope, just like it has been for thousands of years. And when you've finished threading the twine back and forth, cut and tight it off, you're ready to roll. Like we said, this is our own DIY machine made with spare bits and pieces plus a motor. Turn it on and the twine's twisted into strands which, when they're tight enough, just naturally spin themselves into one thick rope. Russell's using a former device to make sure the rope is wound evenly. And that's the basic concept. It's how a lot of rope is made in factories. We don't sell our own jute rope, but we do sell high-quality jute with a polypropylene core for extra strength that's made in factories. On our website, ready for your order.